Hello friends, this is Monica of Greyglamma Kitchen. Let's make beans flour moi-moi. We'll start by blending together some onions, fresh ginger and crayfish. This process is used to make beans flour moi-moi. I will add hot water, not boiling water but hot water, and then blend them together. Now I am going to add the beans flour. The reason why I added hot water is so to soften the beans flour, because you know this is beans that has been dry and blended. Now I will add some seasoning powder and blended pepper. Blend everything together. While I am blending, spend some time to like, share and comment on the video, and also subscribe. And tell me where you are watching from. Now I'm going to add red oil or vegetable oil. This is the oil I scooped out from the stew I cooked the other day. I'll just add a little salt to taste and turn them together. Then I'll leave this to set in for like 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'll check if I need to add more hot water. If not, I will begin to pour in the mixture into the moi-moi plate, or you can use foil or oma leaf, it depends. Then I will add a slice of boiled egg. You know, if you don't want to add boiled egg, you can use raw egg, but then add it at the beginning when you are mixing the flour with the other ingredients. After doing this, I'll now cook for 40 minutes and we have the moi-moi ready, prepared with beans flour. It is very easy to make, and this is a typical Nigerian weight loss meal because this is all protein. Don't forget to like this video, share the video, leave me a comment and subscribe to my channel. I hope you like this video and I hope to see you in the next one. Try out the recipe and tell me how it comes out. You can buy the beans flour in any shop close by, or you can prepare it at home. Can you see how it is? The taste came out wonderful. The ingredients I use for this recipe will be in the description box. I hope to see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe and stay hydrated. Bye.